Welcome to our exploration of the AI skills you need to succeed in digital marketing. As the digital landscape evolves, mastering these skills is no longer optional. It's essential for staying ahead. Today, we'll dive into the key AI competencies that are transforming marketing strategies across the globe. First on our list is data analysis. AI excels in processing vast amounts of data, revealing insights that can shape targeted marketing campaigns. By harnessing AI-driven analytics, marketers in countries like the USA, Kosovo, and Singapore can gain a deeper understanding of consumer behavior and preferences. Next, let's talk about machine learning. This skill enables systems to learn from data and improve their performance over time without explicit programming. In places like the UK and Germany, marketing professionals are using machine learning to personalize customer experiences, making interactions more relevant and engaging. Don't overlook natural language processing, or NLP. With NLP, AI can understand and respond to human language, facilitating more intuitive customer service and engagement. This capability is revolutionizing how brands in Turkey and Ireland communicate with their audiences, creating more meaningful connections. AI-driven automation is another crucial skill. By automating repetitive tasks, marketers can focus on strategic decision-making and creative problem-solving. Automation is particularly beneficial in fast-paced markets like London and Switzerland, where efficiency is key. Finally, we have predictive analytics, a game-changer in anticipating consumer trends and behaviors. Marketers in Spain and Iceland are leveraging this to make informed decisions, ensuring their strategies are proactive rather than reactive. In conclusion, AI skills are reshaping the future of digital marketing. By adopting these technologies, you're not just keeping up with the industry, you're setting the pace. Whether you're in the bustling streets of Singapore or the scenic landscapes of Switzerland, mastering these skills will open doors to innovation and success. So are you ready to enhance your marketing prowess with AI? Begin your journey today and transform your career. Subscribe for more insights and start leading the digital marketing revolution. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow digital marketing enthusiasts who are ready to embrace the power of AI.